If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon.
For me, at least, home means first comfort and happiness.
Home, I think the first thing that comes to mind is family and a lot of memories. Hi, my name is Balaji. I'm a chartered accountant and I work for Goldman Sachs.
Hi, I'm Shilpa. I've done my MBA and I work for Unilever as a senior manager. I always wanted a greenhouse, right? So if you see the house, there's a lot of plants and there's a lot of greenery around. And I wanted that to be like a Zen garden. We found a beautiful Buddha piece, so which kind of went along with the wall paneling. As I said, the puja room was one of the biggest area where we spent majority of the time. So we had this concept of rolling doors, and we had this concept of puja room that is thin, so you can pull out the drawer and sit and do the puja, so it's comfortable even for my in-laws. She wanted a pink-based bedroom. That's when we said, let's also make the, the roof like a cloud and, give that kind of a space kind of a feeling, so she gets inspired. Again, it's a mix of, a bit of girly features and a bit of inspiration for her to get into or delve into more into science. What would you show in your room first?
The bed.
The bed and?
Mirror.
Mirror with all those pretty lights. Master bedroom, I think we just wanted it very clean and neat, and somehow I wanted it to be a very cozy space. I think the parents' bedroom, the idea was just to give as much storage as possible because it's a comparatively a smaller room. So the way the design is done is, to give storage next to the cots and, to give storage right opposite. So it looks very seamless, but it has ample storage for them.
So even though it's an office area, I think our day actually, me and my daughter's day starts there because I spend a lot of time on the calls and the meetings, especially the video calls.
I think they're pretty impressed first with the ground floor. It has its own character. I think that's what people appreciate. And second compliment obviously goes to Janvi's room. One of the good things about, I would say, DesignCafe and Dhanushri is, the value that you guys give for the storage space. When you're designing, you somehow don't appreciate it.
I mean, the experience was really good. As Shilpa mentioned, I think the designer plays a very big role. I think she was able to understand what we are thinking. And of course, yeah, we'll definitely recommend our family and friends about DesignCafe.